Anchorage Police Dispatch.
My name is Taylor Engstrom. I'd like to report I think I just heard a shot. I'm over at Alpine Apartments off of Brayton.
Okay. And how long ago was that you heard it?
Like maybe 30 seconds ago. It sounded pretty loud. I have all my windows closed, and it sounded pretty near to the property.
Okay, from what direction?
It honestly sounded like it went off in the courtyard down here, in the middle of the building. It sounded, so that would be,
okay, so like in the complex itself?
not like in the club, but like, yeah, I guess, but not inside, just outside in the middle area of the building. I don't know how to describe it exactly.
Okay, you said it was how many shots?
I heard one.
Okay, you did a few minutes ago.
Yeah, it was pretty loud. If I had to guess, it sounded like a 9mm, but,
Can you hear anything else or see anything after that?
no, I didn't really want to duck my head over the window just in case there was. Yeah.
Gotcha. And then, Taylor, how did you spell your last name?
Engstrom, E-N-G-S-T-R-O-M.
Perfect. And then phone number you're calling from. Perfect. All right, I'll go ahead and get a call in. We'll get somebody out there to check it out as soon as available. If you see or hear anything else, just go ahead and give us a call back, okay?
All right, thank you, sir. Have a good night.
Thank you, too. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Now, remind me the entry time for that.
So it was picked up in dispatch at 2:46:43 a.m. It was entered into CAD at 2:48:12 a.m. You want to know what time it was dispatched or no?
Yep, and then so what does the dispatcher do with that information?
So they air it on the radio and dispatch officers out to check the area.
Okay, and was anything ever reported from that?
No, 2 officers went out on scene and one of the officers said over the radio, clear, nothing seen or heard.
Okay, and who were the 2 officers that went out on scene?
The 2 officers were Officer Dustin Boynton and Officer Matthew Hall.
Okay, so I would like to turn your attention then to the next day, August 7th. And you've brought another call from that day?
Yes.
Okay, and what time did that call come in?
Looking at the CAD, it came in on August 7th, 2023 at 17:32:34, which is 5:32:34 p.m.
And who placed that call?
Well, there were 2 people on the line. Initially it was a female, and I'm sorry I don't have her name on here, it doesn't look like.
That's okay.
And then a male got on the phone, and it was Zarrius Hildabrand.
Okay, and was that a much lengthier conversation than the one we just heard?
Yes.
Okay, a little over 12 minutes?
Yes.
Okay, and have you reviewed that 911 call in anticipation for trial?
Yes.
Okay, and is what's on State's Exhibit 2 a true and accurate representation of that call that you pulled from 911 dispatch?
Yes.
Okay, I'd move at this point for the admission of State's Exhibit 2.
Do you say no objection?
Sure.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. It's admitted?
MAA published.
You may.
Anchorage Police Dispatch. Hi, I think my friend is missing. Okay. And why do you think she's missing, or he or she's missing? I haven't spoken to her in 2 days, and her husband hasn't heard from her in over a day, like 30 hours now. Okay, and is there a reason why her husband is not reporting her as missing? And your husband's with me. Okay. Have you checked with the hospitals and jails at this point? Yeah, I've called all the hospitals. We called the jail. We spoke to her employer. We asked everyone we know. Give me just a second. And who was the last person to see her? Her husband. Okay. All right. When she left for work. Or you can put me on speaker if you would like. You can talk to him. Okay. Hey, so your wife is missing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and when was the last time that you talked to her or had contact with her?
The last time I saw her was Sunday morning.
Okay, so yesterday.
Around 10.
Okay, 10 a.m.
Yes.
Okay, and what's her name?
Saria Hildabrand. Saria Hildabrand.
And spell her first name for me again one more time, sorry.
Saria.
Okay. What's her date of birth?
September 6, 2001.
Okay, and have you tried to contact her at all since then, or is this unusual behavior for her?
This is, I would say, very unusual behavior, and I don't have a way of contacting her because when she left her phone in our apartment.
Okay. And where was she? Do you know where she was heading out to? Is it unusual for her to leave her phone back?
It's definitely unusual for her to leave her phone, but she was going to work.
Okay.
She wanted to walk to work, so, and it's like a 20-minute walk, so she decided she wanted to walk that morning.
And I'm not finding her. Is she from here? Did you guys recently move here?
No, ma'am. She's from Utah.
Okay. Did she ever get a driver's license or an ID here in Alaska?
The only thing she has is a military ID, but I believe she also got that in Utah.
Okay. So is she military?
Yes, ma'am. She's National Guard.
Okay. And you've tried to, have you contacted her employer yet? Did she show up for work?
I already contacted her employer, and they haven't seen her since the last time she worked.
Okay, where does she work at?
Bread and Brew?
Okay. Okay. And what's the address of where she was last seen? Would this be your apartment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's that address?
5210 Mockingbird Drive.
And then is that a house or apartment?
It's an apartment. Apartment number 13.
Okay. And you said she walked to work. Does she not have a vehicle?
No, so we went out the night before, and we were both kind of woke up a little intoxicated, and neither of us felt comfortable to drive her to work, so she just decided to walk instead.
Okay. So she's walking to Bread and Brew from your address, 5210 Mockingbird Drive.
Yes, ma'am.
And is that normally how she gets to work?
No, usually either one of us will drive, but like I said, neither of us felt comfortable enough to drive, so just wanted to make sure no one got hurt.
Okay, gotcha. And what time did she leave, around 10 a.m. or yesterday?
Around 10, yes, ma'am.
Okay. And when you called her work, did they just say that she never showed up?
Yeah, they said that she never showed up.
Okay. Can I get your name, please?
Yes, ma'am. Zarrius Hildabrand, Zarrius.
And I'm just making sure I'm spelling your last name right. So it's Hildabrand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Does she have any place that she would go normally, or I know this is unusual behavior, but do you guys have any family in town maybe possibly that she stayed with, or?
No, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. I Okay, and do you have I'm not finding you in our system either. Did you just move here from Utah too?
No, ma'am. I'm from Kentucky, but I'm stationed at J Bear.
Okay. Do you have a social for me? Just need some personal information from you.
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay.
405 59 9970.
And where are you right now for officer contact? Are you at your apartment?
No, ma'am, but I can be there relatively soon.
Okay. When is that?
Within the next 10 minutes.
Okay. 5210 Mockingbird Track 13. Just a second. Okay, if you want to start heading that way and give us a call back when you get there, and that way we can load a call for officers to come contact you.
Yes, sir, that's fine.
Moment. And if you can, what race is she? Just because I don't have her in my system, so I need her height, weight, like that. So what race is she? White, Black, Native, Hispanic?
Half white, half Asian.
Okay. Does she look Asian or does she look white?
Like dead center between the both of them.
Okay. And how tall is she?
5'8".
Okay. Leave her date of birth. And how much does she weigh?
About 160.
Okay. What color is her hair?
Brown with blonde highlights. Black.
That's brown, but blonde underneath.
Okay, dark blonde with like shading of blonde underneath.
Okay. And what's her eye color?
Green.
And does she have any scars, marks, or tattoos?
Yes, ma'am. She has tattoos.
Okay. What and where on her body?
She has a snake, some Mongolian lettering, an alien.
Okay.
Give me a second. An alien and on her right arm.
Okay. And does she have any issues with alcohol or drugs?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Does she take any medications?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And does she have any mental health issues or anything like that?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Has she ever said that she wanted to kill herself or made any suicidal statements at all?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And just to clarify, I know that our friend said that she called all the hospitals. Have you reached out to all three hospitals? Do you have the Austin Medical Center, Providence, and Regional?
Yes, ma'am. We've reached out to all three.
Oh, okay. And the jail, too?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, and I think I had everything. And just for clarification, so you said that she never showed up for work. Is there a reason why that you guys are just calling in right now?
I just wanted to make sure that, like, it wasn't a freak accident, if that makes sense.
What does that mean?
Like that she didn't get lost or something on the way there.
Okay. And what time did you, I guess, end up calling for work yesterday?
I would say like 6:30.
And I know you said that, sorry for all the questions. She doesn't have any friends or family in town, but have you guys checked with anybody that she could possibly be staying with already?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. And go ahead and just give us a call when you get home, and that way we can put in a call for you to speak with an officer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thanks. Bye.
All right, bye.
Was an officer ultimately dispatched to Mr. Hildebrand's home?
Yes.
And what officer is attached to that call?
Let me refer to the CAD. That was Officer Kent Zhang.
Okay. And the state expects Officer Zhang to testify tomorrow, Judge. That's all the questions I have for this witness.
All right, thank you. Counsel.
Good morning, Ms. Sapp.
Good morning.
Just some brief questions. On at 2:47 a.m. on 8/6/2023, you were not in the bedroom of Mr. Hildabrand or Saria Hildabrand.
Was I what?
You were not in the bedroom of the residence?
No.
No. Okay. You were not in their apartment?
No. I don't know them, just for the record.
Yeah. Thank you. You were not in the building?
No.
You did not see you pulled the trigger that night?
No.
Okay. You were not the 911 dispatcher who took those calls?
No.
Okay. Nothing further. Thank you.
Thank you. Any redirect?
No.